The forgotten dreams of the most magnificent ship in history are highlighted in a most unforgettable experience. For more than 8 decades, these pieces of history lay undisturbed in the darkness of the deep North Atlantic. Two and a half miles below the surface of the ocean, no one had seen these objects since that fateful day in April 1912. View hundreds of authentic artifacts recovered from Titanic's wreck site. Amazing recreations of her famous rooms. And share in the dramatic personal stories of her passengers and crew. Touch the dreams of those who set out to come to a new world. It took 3 years to build her. She was over 42,000 tons, 882 feet long, and over 110 feet tall. It took over 10 months to decorate Titanic. There were many influences in her style, and her appointments surpassed the finest hotels in Europe. It was a time of progress and blind faith in technology. People began migrating to America as a response to explosive growth and great social tensions. The Edwardian culture was one of great class separation. And nowhere was it more apparent than on Titanic. She was discovered in 1985. Recovery and conservation began in 1987 and continues to this day. Each artifact is carefully recovered, conserved, and represents a moment in time, but also a personality who was aboard the grand ship. Public fascination with Titanic began long before her ill-fated maiden voyage, and it lives on today as we rediscover the fragments left behind after the most tragic voyage ever. She was the grandest, most luxurious moving object ever built. No other story in history has captured our hearts and imaginations like hers. Feel the impact. Titanic, the Artifact Exhibition.